Hi! In front of me is Honor 7X, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Smart Assistants. Over here, go into one-handed mode and click on Mini Screen View. After that, click on the switcher over here and follow those instructions. Slide your finger across the navigation bar to switch between the Start Dart and Mini Screen View. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, you need to click on the blank area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!